Cody Reeves here with Devitt Machinery Company. Today we're going to show you one of our current shop projects. We have a Tos Lathe that we're rebuilding. We went ahead already and scraped and fitted the saddleways, the cross slide, and the compound. In fitting the compound, we noticed the gib was out of adjustment. Typically you have an inch of adjustment with the gib, and this gib is out over an inch. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly fix this by using Turcite B. This is how far the gib is out of adjustment. Here we are removing stock from the gib to create room for the Turcite. Here we have the gib surface cleaned up. We are machining a crosshatch pattern to enhance the adhesion surface. We are removing all inserts except one, which will be used to create the crosshatch pattern. Typical depth for this cut can be between 5 thousandths and 20 thousandths. Next, we will sandblast the surface. Sandblasting is adding rougher texture to the metal surface for Waylock 2. Sandblasting has been proven to generate the best adhesion surface for Waylock 2. We are cleaning the surfaces of both the gib and Turcite with Devitt Machinery's Cleaner Degreaser. Now we are ready to mix the Waylock. This is a 1-to-1 ratio, taking small, equal amounts of both the resin and the hardener and folding them together with a spatula. You will apply Waylock to both the Turcite B on the brownish black side and the gib on the cross-hatched and sandblasted surface. Take the serrated edge and scrape the excess off. This will leave you with the perfect amount of Waylock to adhere the Turcite B. Turcite B comes in 7 different thicknesses. This piece is 15 thousandths thick. We do not need a very thick piece for this repair, but other jobs may need thicker material depending on the wear. We are using clamps to create pressure to adhere the Turcite B. If your metal surface cannot be taken off the machine or clamped, You may use weights to create the correct pressure. A full 24 hours later, and the Waylock 2 has fully cured. We are ready to take the clamps off, trim, scrape, and fit the gib back into place. We are lightly scraping the Turcite in a diagonal pattern, one way on a 45-degree angle, and then in the opposite direction. This will break up the surface and remove any excess Waylock 2 from the molding process. A contrast color is applied to the gib, and high spot blue will be applied to the dovetail. This is the first print we did with the compound and high spot blue. We will scrape where the blue is prominent. This process will be a lot of back and forth, reapplying contrast color and high spot blue, scraping, and so on until you get your final print. After final print is achieved, a spotting cut will be scraped into the surface. This allows oil to be retained into the Turcite. Now we have a fully fitted gib in adjustment. We offer these services and products through Devitt Machinery. Give us a call or send us an email.